Surah Al-Munafiqun, the hypocrites. This surah is Medinan, containing 2 sections and 11 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
إذا جاءك المنافقون قالوا نشهد إنك لرسول الله والله يعلم إنك لرسوله والله يشهد إن المنافقين لكاذبون.
When the hypocrites come to you, they say, "We testify that indeed you are the messenger of Allah, and Allah knows that you are indeed His messenger, and Allah bears witness that indeed the hypocrites are liars."
اتخذوا أيمانهم جنة فصدوا عن سبيل الله إنهم ساء ما كانوا يعملون.
They made their oaths a shield, so they are prevented from the way of Allah. Indeed, that which they used to do is evil.
ذلك بأنهم آمنوا ثم كفروا فطبع على قلوبهم فهم لا يفقهون.
This is because they believed with their tongues, then they disbelieved with their hearts, so their hearts were sealed, so now they do not understand.
وإذا رأيتهم تعجبك أجسامهم وإن يقولوا تسمع لقولهم كأنهم خشب مسندة يحسبون كل صيحة عليهم هم العدو فاحذرهم قاتلهم الله أنى يؤفكون.
When you see them, their physiques amaze you, and if they speak, you listen attentively to their speech. In reality, it is as if they are timbers leaning against a wall. They deem every loud voice to be against them. They are the enemies, so be vigilant concerning them. May Allah destroy them. Where do they go wandering?
وإذا قيل لهم تعالوا يستغفر لكم رسول الله لووا رؤوسهم ورأيتهم يصدون وهم مستكبرون.
And when it is said to them, "Come, the messenger of Allah will seek forgiveness for you," they turn their heads, and you will see them turning away in arrogance.
سواء عليهم أستغفرت لهم أم لم تستغفر لهم لن يغفر الله لهم إن الله لا يهدي القوم الفاسقين.
It is the same for them whether you seek forgiveness for them or do not seek forgiveness for them. Allah will certainly not forgive them. Indeed, Allah does not guide the disobedient.
هم الذين يقولون لا تنفقوا على من عند رسول الله حتى ينفضوا ولله خزائن السماوات والأرض ولكن المنافقين لا يفقهون.
It is they who say, "Do not spend on those who are with the messenger of Allah until they disperse. And to Allah belong the treasures of the heavens and the earth." But the hypocrites do not understand.
يقولون لئن رجعنا إلى المدينة ليخرجن الأعز منها الأذل ولله العزة ولرسوله وللمؤمنين ولكن المنافقين لا يعلمون.
They say, if we return to Medina, then the noblest will most definitely expel the most humiliated from it. Yet true honor belongs only to Allah, His Messenger and the Muslims, albeit the hypocrites do not know.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تلهكم أموالكم ولا أولادكم عن ذكر الله ومن يفعل ذلك فأولئك هم الخاسرون.
O you who believe, let not your wealth or your children divert you from the remembrance of Allah, and whosoever will do this, it is they who are the losers.
وأنفقوا مما رزقناكم من قبل أن يأتي أحدكم الموت فيقول رب لولا أخرتني إلى أجل قريب فأصدق وأكن من الصالحين.
And spend in our way from the sustenance we have provided you, before death comes to one of you, and he cries, My Lord, why did you not grant me respite for a short term, so that I would give charity and be from the righteous?
ولن يؤخر الله نفسا إذا جاء أجلها والله خبير بما تعملون.
Allah will certainly not grant a soul respite when its appointed time arrives, and Allah is aware of all that you do.